Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram Reel glitch. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Instagram application and I will show you a few processes for how you can do it and some I will just explain it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to try updating your Instagram application. Using an outdated version of the app could be why your Instagram Reel are not working. So you need to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update the Instagram application. Now once that is done, you go to open the Instagram and you try the Reels again. So even after that the glitch issue has not been solved, what you can do is you can check whether your Reels are available in your country or not. You can do that by going to the help.instagram.com in the web browser and check if your country is listed or not. This feature may not be available in your country, so that's why you have that glitch for your Instagram. If that's the issue, you can use VPN and solve it. The another thing is you need to check your network. You need to check whether your network is connected or not. If you are not connected properly to the network or internet, you may have the glitch issue occur. The another thing what you can do is you can go and open the Instagram setting on your phone setting. So open the setting on your phone and there you need to go to the apps and notification. Then you need to open the Instagram app info page. Tap open Instagram app info page. There you go to stories and cache. Tap that and then tap on clear cache. Tap on it. If the cache of data is corrupted, you will experience these issues like Instagram Reel not working or having this glitch issue. So once you clear your cache, you might be able to solve the issue and use the Reel for your Insta. Even after doing all this process, the issue of glitch is not solved. You can try uninstalling the application and reinstall it on your phone device. Sometimes doing this might work for you to solve the issue you're having on Instagram. That is not just glitch but any other issue as well. If you have made sure that you have tried everything that I have just told you but still are having issue with the Reels, you can report it to the Instagram. To report, you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile on the bottom right. Then you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. There you need to go to the setting and privacy. Tap on it. Then in the setting and privacy, you scroll down to the very bottom and there you tap on help. Tap that. And there you need to tap on report a problem. Tap that. Now here you tap on report a problem. Now you describe the issue with as much detail as you can. You can also add screenshot to support your details. So here you can just type in having glitch issue with the Instagram Reels. Then tap on send. Once Instagram receive the report of yours, they will look through the issue and if they have the solution, they will contact you and the issue will be solved. So this is a way how you can fix Instagram Reel glitch. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.